Hey friends, if you wish to open settings on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the processes. I'll guide you through the three best methods. The first one is to press Windows plus I and this will open the settings window. Okay, this is the easiest method. The next one is to right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Okay, this is if you don't want to use the keyboard and you want to use the mouse. It's still fairly easy. And one more method is to search for settings in the Windows search bar and open settings. Now, obviously, if I was to list all methods, it would be infinite. You can do it through the run window, you can do it through PowerShell, command prompt, everything. But why go into all of those complexities? Just try these three easy methods. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.